and Bangladesh. A full-fledged team of the Election Commission of India visited Shillong to take stock of the preparedness of the state for the upcoming assembly polls in the state. The Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar has assured a peaceful and inducement-free polls. During their visit to the state, the Commission held meetings with political parties and different agencies of the government to ensure a peaceful and inducement-free polls. Rajiv Kumar said that different initiatives like model polling station, women in command polling stations, green polling stations would also be taken. It would also inform that different technological innovations like voter helpline, C-Vigil app would also be used for fair polls. The Election Commission has also adopted a robust mechanism for inducement-free elections, and different agencies would work in coordination, and even mapping of expenditure-sensitive constituencies would be done.
In these 2 days, friends, we first met with all the political parties, all the national parties, regional parties, state parties, so that we can get their views, their comments, their suggestions, their inputs, their apprehensions, if any. The term of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is up to 15th March 2023. So we have to complete the entire process before that.